Hello guys, how are you today? Fine? Let's continue and correct our homework. Exercise 2. Write a division sentence to answer each question. So we will write now division sentence in the 4 parts. Okay, let's start. We said yesterday that if we are splitting or if we are separating something, the objects, we will talk about what? Division. So if we are splitting objects, for example here fruits, we will talk about division. Okay? So we are dividing now the fruits into groups. So we are dividing. Okay. The question is, how many groups of 5 are there in 15? 15 means the total number of fruits here is 15. In order to write the division sentence, always you have to start here with the total number. What is the total number? 15. So we have to start with 15. Okay? We are splitting the 15 into groups. Inside each group, how many fruits do we have? 5. So 15 divided by 5. Okay, equals. To know how much, let's split these fruits into groups of 5. Groups of 5, I mean each group composed of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the third one. How many groups did we make? We make 3 groups. So the answer will be 3. Okay? So we are splitting 15. We are dividing 15 fruits. We are splitting them into groups of 5. So 15 divided by 5. How many groups did we make? 3. So the answer will be 3. How many groups of 5 are there in 25? 25 with total number of tomatoes. So we have to start with 25. I can't start with 5. We have to start with the total number. Total number with 25. Okay. So 25 divided by which number? How many groups of how much of 5? So divided by 5. Let's circle every 5 tomatoes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third one. 3, 4, 5. Every 5 tomatoes together. Okay. How many circles did we make? How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5. How many groups? The same of 5 are there in 30. So how many strawberries do we have in all 30? So we have to start with division sentence with the total number with 30. Divided by groups of how much of 5? So divided by 5 equals. Let's check how many groups of 5 can we make. 3, 4, 5. Hide the 5. 1, 5. 5 strawberries. Every 5 strawberries together. And 5. So how many groups did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 6. How many groups of 6 are there in 30? 30 with total number. So we have to start with 30. Groups of how much? 6. So divided by 6. Okay. Every 6 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Hide the first group. 1, 6, 6, 6, 6. How many groups did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups. The answer will be 5. That's it. Just split them and count the groups. Okay. What do you notice here, guys, when we are writing the division sentence? For example, here 25 divided by 5 equals 5. What do you notice from the multiplication table? What is the relation between the division and the multiplication? If you look here, we know from the multiplication table that 5 times 5 equals how much? 25. So look at this equation and here at this equation. What do you notice? We notice that in order to know here the answer, Okay, instead of splitting the tomatoes, we can look at table 5. Which number in table 5 give us 25? 5 times which number equals 25? 5. So the answer will be 5. So as if the division is the opposite of multiplication. So here all the answers you can find them from where? From the multiplication table. So there's a relation between multiplication and division. And here the same. We know from the multiplication table that 3 times 5 equals 15. Yes? So in order to know 15 divided by 5 equals how much? Okay, 15 divided by 5 equals how much? الأنسر هو الثird number اللي هو 3. Okay? So there's a relation between multiplication and division. هن opposite to each other. So division هي opposite للمultiplication. So to know the answer, you can just look at the table and check the number. Okay, guys, this I will explain it in the second lesson, the whole relation between multiplication and division. See you, bye bye.